आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Today our question is, two plants A, B of a factory show following results about the number of workers and the wages paid to them. So this is your plant A, this is plant B. Number of workers are given, average monthly wages of them are given, and variance of distribution is given to us. In which plant A or B is there greater variability in individual wages? So we know that the greater variance, the plant with the greater variance will have the greater variability. So here, to compare the variation, we have to calculate the coefficient of variation, right? So we'll write here, to compare the variation, we have to find out, we need coefficient of variation, that is represented as C dot V, which is equals to standard deviation upon mean into 100, right? Here our average monthly wages for both plants are same, so that is why we are comparing standard deviation of this distribution. So we know that variance of plant A is given to be 81, right? So this is your 81, and we know that standard deviation is equals to root under variance, that means root 81 9. That means standard deviation of plant A is 9, right? And similarly we will find out the standard deviation of plant B. So using the variance given to us, so plant B's variation is 100, so standard deviation will be root 100, that means 10. So the plant B has more standard deviation, so we will write here that since average monthly wages of both plants are same, therefore the plant with greater standard deviation, therefore the plant with greater standard deviation will have more variability, and by the standard deviations of both plant we can see that plant B has more standard deviation. So we will write here, since plant B has more standard deviation, that means it has the greater variability in the individual wages. Therefore it has greater variability in the individual wages, right? So that is what our final answer, plant B. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।